In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 tips to make your Notion workflows more seamless, helping to streamline your tasks and boost your productivity. Now, let's dive right into it with our first tip, which is about converting primary databases into pages instead of using those inline views. When you open Notion, you'll notice on the leftmost corner of the navigation bar, there's a drop-down containing all your database pages. Rather than embedding these databases inline within other pages, it's often more efficient to create dedicated pages for them. This approach not only keeps your main dashboard uncluttered and easier to navigate but also allows your databases to be more robust and functional. By giving each database its personal space, you can also take advantage of Notion's powerful filtering, sorting, and view options without the distractions of unrelated content. Moving on to our second tip, make sure to take advantage of the layout features that Notion offers. Visual organization can significantly enhance clarity and focus. With Notion's drag-and-drop capabilities, you're not just limited to a simple linear progression of content anymore. Instead, try arranging your blocks into columns, sections, and even toggle lists wherever possible. This flexibility can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're managing projects with multiple components. Play around with the spacing and alignment features to see what layout complements your workflow best. It might take a bit of experimentation, but once you find a setup that suits your style, you'll likely find it much easier to pinpoint exactly what you need at a glance. Finally, let's discuss designing your dashboard with the user in mind, particularly if you're sharing your Notion workspace with others. User-focused design is essential to ensure that everyone can easily access the information they need. Think about the kinds of interactions users will have with your dashboard. Ask yourself if the most critical elements are promptly accessible. Consider implementing a hierarchical structure wherein the most vital components, like task lists or key databases, are instantly visible upon opening the page. You can add shortcuts to frequently accessed pages and use clear headings and dividers to delineate sections. A well-organized dashboard not only helps you find information faster but also enhances collaboration, making it easier for everyone involved to stay updated and contribute effectively without getting lost in the details. By adapting these 3 simple yet effective strategies, converting primary databases into pages, utilizing layout features, and designing with the user's experience in mind, you can optimize your Notion workflows for greater efficiency and productivity. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or someone just starting out, these insights can lead to a more intuitive and organized digital workspace. As you incorporate these tips, remember to tailor them to fit your unique needs and workflow preferences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing with Notion.